Hey, Julie, downstate lawmakers are sounding off on Governor J.B. Pritzker's plan to gradually reopen the state of Illinois. House GOP representatives holding a virtual press conference from across the state complaining that they have had little to no input.
Us going back into session really allows us to do the process in a transparent public setting that has not been the case over the last couple months. We've had 14 working groups in the House that have done their work behind the scenes without public input, without the media being able to see those working groups. Now that we go back into session, the media can see what's going on, the public can see what's going on. We can have these debates in a public setting.
Republican House members eager to return to the state capitol, legislators set to arrive for an abbreviated spring session next week. There's been pushback to Governor Pritzker's cautious approach to gradually reopening. Some suburban Chicago area mayors and business leaders also frustrated by the slow pace of the reopening. But with 84,000 plus known infections across the state and nearly 3,800 deaths, the Illinois Department of Public Health understandably reluctant to move too quickly for fear of igniting another surge in COVID-19 infections. But state reps from rural areas of Illinois and the metropolitan Springfield area say that not every part of our state is as bad off as hotspots in Chicago.
The governor's Restore Illinois plan doesn't allow for nearly enough direct input from informed local officials to be part of the decision-making process.
The governor continues to mislead people to say that we want to just swing doors wide open. That's not what we're asking for. We are asking for a way to start opening the economy so that businesses can slowly and responsibly do this.
These Republican legislators say it is not one size fits all when it comes to the five-phase plan to reopen the state's schools, colleges, parks, and businesses. Governor Pritzker earlier this month acknowledging that the reality on the ground looks different depending on where you are. But Pritzker has said repeatedly that it's the state's top medical experts who are guiding his decisions, difficult decisions, and the two sides, the two parties, the GOP and the Democrats, certainly expected to debate this in Springfield. Julian Cruz, WGN News.